Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're someone who's constantly battling surface stains on your teeth, or maybe you're looking for a way to take your smile to the next level, you're in the right place. We all know a great toothbrush can make a huge difference. And today, I'm reviewing the Oral-B 3D White Replacement Brush Heads. These little brush heads promise to give your teeth a whiter, cleaner look, starting from day one. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so you never miss another honest, in-depth review from me. Now, let's break down the essentials. The Oral-B 3D White Replacement Brush Heads are designed specifically to give you a tooth-by-tooth clean. What sets these apart is their specially engineered bristles, which are perfect for surface stain removal. Plus, they come with a polishing cup, which helps lift those pesky stains that can dull your smile. You'll notice whiter teeth right from the first use, a big claim for any product. These brush heads are compatible with several Oral-B models, including the Pro, Smart, and Genius series. However, they don't fit the Oral-B IO series, so if that's what you've got, these won't work for you. I personally started using them in my morning and evening routine. The first thing I noticed was how gentle yet effective they were. I've used other whitening brushes before, and many can be a little too harsh on my gums. But these felt surprisingly gentle while still delivering that deep clean. The polishing cup really does seem to help smooth the surface of my teeth and get rid of those minor stains that accumulate from coffee or tea. It's subtle, but I did notice a slight brightening after just a few uses. As for ease of use, switching out the brush heads was a breeze. No fuss, no complicated steps. I love that they are a direct replacement for my existing Oral-B handle, so I didn't need any special tools or extra equipment to get started. It really made the whole experience seamless, and I didn't have to think twice about compatibility. Now, let's talk pros and cons. Pros: whitening effect. If you're after a brighter smile, these brush heads deliver on their promise, especially for surface stains. Gentle but effective. Unlike some other whitening brushes, these didn't irritate my gums, which is a huge plus. Professional design. The round head really mimics the tools you'd find at the dentist, giving you a nice, thorough clean. Cons: not compatible with the IO series. If you have that model, you're out of luck here. Limited advanced features. These are simple brush heads designed for surface whitening, so if you're looking for deep gum care or more advanced brushing features, these might not check all your boxes. When it comes to value for money, the Oral-B 3D White Replacement Heads are a bit of an investment, especially since you're getting a pack of 6. But if you're someone who values effective, no-nonsense whitening and already has an Oral-B toothbrush, I'd say it's worth it. Given that they provide a noticeable whitening effect and are backed by a trusted brand like Oral-B, the price feels justified. If you're wondering how these stack up against other similar brush heads on the market, there are a few options out there. Some whitening toothbrush heads from other brands are priced similarly, but not all offer the same level of gentle effectiveness. Plus, Oral-B is known for their durability, and I find their brushes last longer than some of the alternatives. As for the build quality, I can't fault these. They feel solid, and they're made with high-quality materials. Over time, I've found Oral-B's products to be reliable, and these brush heads are no different. They fit securely on the handle and do exactly what they promise without feeling flimsy. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. So what about customer support? While I haven't had to contact Oral-B directly about these brush heads, the brand's reputation for customer service is pretty solid. They tend to be responsive and are known for helping out with any issues quickly. In terms of updates, there haven't been any significant changes or reformulations to these brush heads recently, and I think they're just fine as they are. If you're on the fence about the price, there are alternatives out there, but not all of them offer the same level of whitening effectiveness with a gentle clean. Some cheaper options are available, but I'd recommend these if you want that added confidence in your smile, especially if you're looking for quick, noticeable results. To wrap things up, These Oral-B 3D white brush heads really deliver when it comes to gentle whitening. They're a solid choice for anyone looking to maintain or brighten their smile without a lot of hassle. Just keep in mind that they're not compatible with the IO series, and they're more focused on surface stain removal than deeper gum care. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.